Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that you can't access your brightness and contrast settings in your LENOVO ThinkVision X1A monitor. So, at first click this button here and enter brightness contrast DCR settings with the same button. Here, as you can see, we have these buttons available, but if these buttons are not available, we have to enter the DCR settings and turn DCR off. Here, as you can see, we just have to click this button when we are on the off option. Now, as you can see, this option is turned on and we can't access our contrast and DCR, contrast and brightness settings. Here, I'm going to disable DCR and now we can access our settings. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.